Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Fatihah Khairani binti Abdul Ghani. My metric number is 24A2950C. Today, I want to review the food at Korean food. This is a trip to Aeon Mall which take 20 minutes from campus to the mall. I took a Grab to get there with my friend. The mall is very big and there are a lot of food to try, all of which look very delicious. This is a very beautiful view of the mall and many people are shopping here. Follow me to find Korean food in this big mall. Let's go! Korean food is nearby masakan panas and kitchen food. Adjacent to Ayam Geprek, Korean food court is very comfortable in terms of the service given to customer is very good. Food service is very fast and you don't have to wait long. There are many seats provided. There are many Korean dishes available including tteokbokki rice, chicken bimbo, hot chicken ramen, ginger ramen, and there are other menus at Carlton Fries. I choose Korean fried chicken which costs 15 ringgit. The food court give a tool to call customer to pick up already food. This food comes from Korean formulations to experience Korean food without having to go to Korea. This is inspired by the recipe of Korean chef they're learning. This chicken tastes very spicy but very tasty. The chicken filling is very tasty and the chicken is bigger. This chicken is cooked hot so that customer can enjoy the chicken crunchy more. The chicken very juicy, tender and chicken coated with a very spicy Korean sauce. The sauce very sweet and spicy. Vibrant sauce that award the tasty butters with every butters. Chips and reasonable price with very tasty food and plenty of it. Everyone can get this food at Aeon Mall. All the food is very delicious. All group, regardless of age, young or children, can eat these Korean countries of theirs who have never eaten it. Overall, Korean food is not only appetizing but also reflects a culture that values traditions, health, and togetherness in enjoy a meal. That's for all. Thank you.